Hello everybody, welcome back to another new class, and today we are diving into getting the most important thing in English grammar is sentence. So we are talking about sentence. First of all, what is sentence? A sentence is a group of words which expresses a complete meanings or a complete idea or a complete thought. In that case, we can call that arrangement of words a sentence. So we can write arrangement of the words which gives a complete idea. Okay, now let's talk about the parts of the sentence, or a sentence does have two parts. One is, sorry for this, subject, and other is predicate. And now, subject is that word, may be noun or pronoun, that is responsible for the action. Okay, and the next one is predicate. So predicate is just the rest of the sentence if we cut down the subject from the sentence. Suppose if I write a sentence, I will talk to you next time. Here, I is the subject because this pronoun is responsible for the action that is happened in this sentence. We'll talk. And without subject, the rest of the sentence means we'll talk to you next time. The whole part of the sentence is called predicate. So a sentence, a typical sentence, takes these two parts, subject and predicate. And now let's talk about the attributes of a sentence. A sentence must contain verb, subject, proper punctuation marks, and the arrangements of the words. Okay, sometimes sentence does not have subject, but verb must be contained, because without a verb it's quite impossible to think about a sentence. And you can make a sentence by only one word, and that is the verb. Like if I write leave, this is sentence because it gives a complete thought. But without the verb, it's quite impossible to make a sentence. So verb is the heart of the sentence. Then we need add in typical sentence its subject and then proper punctuations. At the end of the sentence, we need to use punctuations. Means if the sentence is question sentence or interrogative sentence, if the sentence is declarative sentence, imperative sentence, optative sentence, and so on. And now, how many types of sentence are there? Okay, according to structure, there is 5 types of sentence are available, and we use them in daily conversations, in writing. So the first one is declarative sentence. What is declarative sentence? A declarative sentence is such a sentence that gives information or states a fact. Means we describe something. Like, I want to go to Dhaka. This is declarative sentence or this is assertive sentence. We just state a fact or we give information. And the second one is interrogative. Interrogative sentence. An interrogative sentence conveys the question. Means when we ask the question, any kinds of questions, in that case, that type of sentences are called interrogative sentence. Okay? So, like if I give some example of this type of sentence, like what is your name? Where are you from? Which part of the country are you from? So this type of sentence are called interrogative sentence. And number, okay, I'm really sorry for that because my pen is running out of, ink. Number 3 is imperative sentence. Imperative sentences are those sentences which refer, command, instructions, request, advice. And most of the cases, imperative sentence starts with the verb at the first stage of the sentence, like open the door, go outside, take your bath, do not that work, obey your parents. So this type of sentence called imperative sentence. And then we have optative sentence. Optative sentence. Optative sentences are those sentences by which we give cause, we give wish, we bless someone. Okay, like God bless you, Allah will help you, may you live long. So this type of sentences are optative sentences, but we use this sentence in very rare. Okay, and the final one is exclamatory sentence. Exclamatory sentences are those sentences which refer strong feelings like what a beautiful day, what a nice car, wow, this is a nice place to visit. So this type of sentences having strong feelings are exclamatory sentence.